Morning, traders. Good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis on currency pairs, indices, cryptos. Okay, as usual, I want to start with DSY, but before then, last week, our forecast, our analysis and forecast, many of them played well. You know, as I always say, nobody controls the market, neither me. We are trying to predict what will happen next. That's what is called analysis and the forecast. Okay, so I used to start with the DXY. Now DSY, we are getting the last impulse in the corrective move. You know, all this buying is correction. The pay is going down. So now, what do we expect? We expect a move towards 110. 111.2 or thereabouts. So last week I told you that we are going up, that we get three waves, we have seen it, A, B, C. So we are going up as we predicted. So we are going. You can buy this. If you have not entered the buy, you can buy it. The market opens, or if you have any little correction, you can buy and target 110.5. That's the minimum target before we will get the selling. So that's for this one. EURUSD, you know, it's the opposite to where is the opposite of DXY. So EURUSD, what do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are going to 5. Where do we expect it to end? We are expecting a new low as we have a new low. So it's happening now. At least we are getting to 0.978, but it can go all the way to 0.96. The important thing is that I said it will turn around this level, and it have done so. So now, can you join the selling? You can. Let me go to 1 hour. Maybe if you can get a little pullback, like A, B, C, then you can sell. I don't encourage entering from here because it is called jumping in. When you jump in, the market can bounce and begin to go the opposite to where, and it will harm your account. So let's, if you see a bounce from here, maybe an ABC, then you can comfortably join and continue the selling. I mean, for those who have not sell from this level, because here is my area. You know, here is the area. I pointed out it will turn, and it turned in that area. So now, if you get an ABC, you can join the sellers. If you don't get, wait patiently. After selling, you can now buy. USDCAD. USDCAD. Let's go to 4 hours. USDCAD. I expected USDCAD. You know, I said here is the reversal zone. It's got the reversal zone, and is dropping. Maybe this very sharp move is as a result of news effect. So what is the next plan? My next plan for USDCAD is still selling. Now, what do I mean? The market is going up and I'm still selling. What I mean, markets can move. You can see what happened here: sharp up, sharp down. So if the market doesn't move down, I will wait and make a new plan. I mean, if the market keeps going and close above all this red zone, if I don't get a sales setup from this red zone, I will wait or focus on other pairs. For now, I think this move is as a sort of news. So this is as a sort of news. So if I don't get a sharp move down again from any of this zone, then I'll take a look at the pair again. And you don't trade all the pairs. When a certain pair is not giving you what you are looking for, you forget about it and look for other pairs. So for now, USDCAD, I don't see a reason to buy. Okay. Meanwhile, I sold it last week, but it closed on break even. So I didn't make any loss, but I begin back some of my gains. That's what we call break even. Okay, so USDCHF, I also expected it to sell. It dropped and moved up just like USDCAD. So we need to continue to go up. If it continues to go up, I will not buy until I get a clear move, which means something like this. If I get something like this, then I begin to look for something like this, then I will buy. But for now, it can still reverse from here and begin to go down. If it didn't reverse, I will keep watching it because from the structure I studied, you need to get another move down, at least to this zone, at least. So that's what I'm looking for. If I don't get it, I focus on other page. Simple. So pounds USD, we are getting a new low. Last week I told you that we have a new low. Okay, so we are almost there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Though this time around it didn't get to our reversal zone and reversed. Sometimes you miss a trade with 2 pips, 5 pips. It does happen. So not to worry about. Now pounds USD, I don't want to sell pounds USD. I want it to complete the move. Give me buy signal and I will buy. I don't want to sell it because why? I don't see it dropping as much as Euro USD. Okay, so for me, I'm not selling it. I'd rather look for buy. Maybe during the week, I will revisit it. So you better join my Telegram channel because most of these charts, when I don't see a setup at the weekend, setup might occur on Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and sometimes I post them on the free Telegram channel. The links are at the description of my video. Join, it is free. So now, pounds USD, no trade yet until we get a buy setup. That's my own idea. If you have your own idea and you can sell, no problem. AUDUSD. AUDUSD. Yeah, I sold this and it's reversed our reversal zone. I posted this, I think on Thursday, yes, on Thursday on Telegram channel. I posted a 1-hour chart. Yes, and pointed out that it will reverse from this zone. And it does reverse from the zone and it's still going down. So what do we expect? Sure, we may not get a new low, but we will get a move. At least it will go below this level and even go lower. Okay, I don't want to show the where it will end, but for now it is still selling. Using the USD, what do we have there? It is also dropping. This one did not come to our reversal zone. Sometimes it happens. It didn't come to the reversal zone. Okay. You don't get it all the time. You miss some, you get some. But the much you get is enough if you can analyze the market very well. For instance, I know it will turn from here. It's turned from here. Okay, so it's still going down. It will likely give us a new low. It will give us a new low. We may not get new low on any USD, but we get a new low on New Zealand USD. That's the difference, but they always go the same direction. JP225. JP225. Let me go to daily. Okay, nothing much to show on daily. Let me go back to 4 hours. And even on this, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves. And after these 5 waves, we're looking for 3 waves, which is what we are getting here. You can see this is a typical wave A. You can put here A or W. Then wave B, we give us something like this and drop again. So JP225, get ready to see 27,000 or below. So that's much I can tell you about that. I remember I said once this channel is broken, it will keep going down. And I posted it both on, I explained it on last week and last 2 weeks video. Then on Telegram channel, I posted this chart. So if you didn't enter the cell, maybe you are not prepared for it, or you have other pays you are trading. Nobody can trade all the pays. Not possible. You pick the ones to trade and leave the rest. USDJPY is somehow complex this time around. It's somehow complex, but I can see a sell setup. Now, if we can get to this level, maybe something like this, I will sell again. Then if we don't get, if it keeps going down from here and break this level, I will watch whether it's good to sell or not. Because if you sell it below this level, stop loss will be here and target will be below this level. You can see the risk reward is not much. So you better leave it for now, unless you just you want to scalp. But for now, it's not enticing. It's not enticing to trade. So for now, I leave it alone. USDJPY. USDJPY. What do we have? I am predicting a sell on USDJPY. You know. Okay, let me. What happened this week? I have to tell you everything. When USDJPY entered this is the reversal zones. The reversal started from here. I entered the sell from here. It dropped. I'm losing in this trade, and I'm losing, but my stop loss is above this level. Okay. Now I see what is happening. This is let me label it. This is A, B, and the C. So the wave C is going deeper. It's going deeper. So for now, my stop loss have not hit. Even if it hits, I will still look for set it up again. I don't have reason to buy it now. Okay. So that's my own trade. If you have reason to buy, very good, you go ahead and buy. But from my view, I don't have bias for buying it now. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. I'm looking for. So you know, I posted this for buy. Okay, I posted buy. Though I didn't buy it because I have enough open trade, so I can't trade everything. But I show you the much I can, so that you choose one to. So now, what happened? The market was going up. When news came out, it dropped. So this drop is not enough reason to. Now, this drop is not enough reason for me to begin to sell. So this drop is not enough reason for me to sell because the overall structure is up. You know, the market can do this. The next hour, it will do this. So allow the market to open, and that will check what is happening. So for now, if you enter the buy when I posted this, either you are at par or little loss or little gain. There will be no big loss for now, no big gain for now because it dropped suddenly. So I can advise you to close the trade unless you want to leave it because here is the stop loss is here. It can reverse. If you decide to take the risk, fine. If you're afraid, close it and let's watch out for what happens next. But everything is pointing to the upside. That's why what I said, I mean by I want to close this because of what I just saw. Gold. Gold. Last week I told you we are getting a new low on gold. So I don't have much to say on gold. Gold is going down. You can see it from here is going down. So nothing to discuss on gold. Silver. Silver, the same thing. Nothing much to discuss on gold and silver. The same thing is happening on gold and silver. We are bound to get a new low on silver. So silver is going to 1800 or below. So nothing much to discuss. You can see this move, correction, and it has broken this channel. So now to sell silver, look for a pullback or correction. Then you can sell silver. Okay, so don't jump in, please. Platinum. Platinum. They're all doing the same thing. You know, so we are looking for platinum to drop to between this level, 845.5 to 819.3. But the real target is between this 78 and 880 figure. That is 840 to 824. So platinum, one more drop. Okay, one more drop, and if you watch, it's doing something like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 waves. Okay, so that's what I can see on platinum. So if you're selling it, you can make more profit before you close the trade. If you want to trade it, it's too late to enter sell because we are almost at the terminal point of it. US oil, what do we have? The buying have started, that is sure. And for those who haven't entered the buy, the market is giving us a second opportunity. So this is what I'm expecting, an A, B, C. So I'm expecting it to drop lower, maybe 90 or even 89, 89.5. The deepest it can go is 88, 88.2, 88. So now is not a good time to sell oil, but a time to look for buy. So NASDAQ, remember, for many weeks now, I kept saying that the possibility of WXY, XZ is not ruled out. I've been saying it for a long time. So that's why I'm showing you daily again. That is, what do I mean by that? I simply mean that for us getting a drop, a new low is possible. That is, this is W, X, Y, X, Z. It's possible. So now, NASDAQ can go down to 11,200, 10,800. So be conscious of that. Be conscious of that. Secondly, you can see how sharp this move is. Yes, you can say that is a news impact. Yeah, sometimes news can trigger, when news favors a particular trend towards a reversal zone, it makes it faster to go. So now you can see, I labeled this chart 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can let me zoom it. You can see 1, 2, 3. So 4 and 5. This will likely not occur. This may not occur because if this pair, if this market make a correction and drop to this level, if it happened to this level, we can never get this again. Rather, we get A, B, C, and drop again, and then we will get a new low. So if you are trading NASDAQ and you believe in my analysis, you will be looking for sell. And last week I told you, once here is broken, it will keep selling. Since then, it is selling. You know, so I don't have much. I don't have anything to say again. So if you check all of them, NASDAQ, S&P 500, they are pointing to the downside. USD30, they are doing the same thing. Nifty, they are doing the same thing. The Nifty, sometimes Nifty doesn't go with others, but many of them are going the same direction. Okay, you can see Dow Jones is going down very fast. UK 100, they are all going down. So you know, I will not be showing you all this space. You know, if you want to get anyone you want in details, then join my Telegram channel, but not guaranteed. I can only attend to my premium subscribers. That's my students. Whenever they want, whatever they want, I teach them. So what I'm doing now, my students can do them. If you're one of my students, if there's anything you want to ask, inbox me. I will explain to you because you paid for it. So from this is where I will end the analysis. I will do the cryptos differently because some people don't like to watch all of them. They like to watch only cryptos. So now, if you are new in this channel, subscribe, like, and share. Answer the questions, make a comment. Then I have class. I have students I teach in my premium group. I don't charge much because you know I'm from Africa and Africans don't have much money. So those who teach the much what I teach or something similar from other parts of the world charge 5 times, 4 times what I charge because I know what Africans are going through, that there's not much money in Africa. I don't charge much because of we Africans. So look at my course is affordable. You join and I will train you and you'll be able to do what I do. See, there's no need doing a guess work. I spend the money to learn. If you're doing a guess work, the money you have paid to learn, you will lose it, and you can lose 20 times the money you will pay to learn and waste your time. So I will advise you to stop managing the knowledge. If you're not making money consistently, find a mentor. Even if you don't like the way I teach, but find somebody who will teach you. But be aware, there are people who doesn't make money in forex because they cannot trade. They just read some books and pretend to be teaching. But when you ask them a complex question, they can't answer you. Those who don't understand this market and they are teaching to make money. But ask them a complex question, they're not able to explain to you. But when you get the knowledge, you have gotten it forever. So I would advise you to join the class to learn, or at least join my Telegram channel for free. Thank you for watching. The next will be cryptos. God bless you.